did you find Expo Home Improvement? How did you hear about us?
My sister. It happened that she ran into a girl that she knew that works for y'all, and the girl told them about the company, and my sister said, well, I just happened to be wanting to have a couple of bathrooms done, so that's how she came to know your company. And then after they did those 2 bathrooms, you know, and I used her bathroom, and she knows that mine's been difficult, so it just all kind of came from there. I would have to pull that shower curtain up there and then run the water to get that thing heated because it was way too cold to sit on, and then step over and holding the bars, step over. The hardest thing I did was take a shower.
That's your current bathroom situation. When you took that shower in your sister's shower, tell me about that experience and what made you go, oh my goodness.
You know, the things that were most important to me was the fact that I could walk in it. The shower thing was easy to use. I could actually use the wand, and I've never been able to use that. Angel helped me pick out the wall, which I tend to be a little bit on the boring side, so she helped me pick out a really pretty one. I haven't met anybody that wasn't so kind.
Yeah, even the not just all of y'all have been very genuine and really seemed really happy about us getting it, you know, and even talking to one of the installers in there, he was the same way, just very kind and happy for us to get it.
That's really, really a blessing. Thank you so much.